Welcome to GoodForms. In this video, we'll walk you through how to navigate your GoodForms account and explore all the key features that help you manage and showcase your business in a better manner. Let's get started by signing in. Once you're logged in, you will land on the dashboard, your main control center. Here, you will find the following key sections: the Home tab, which is your overall dashboard, Organizations, Portfolios, Reviews, Analytics, Sponsorship, Widgets, and Resources. Let's explore each one. Under the Home tab, you will see a summary of your account's most important information in one place. You will find your submitted business listing and its current status, the date the listing was submitted, the Update Profile button to make changes to your listing, your current membership type, which is set to Free Member by default. Moving on, you will find the total number of reviews and portfolios, your latest client reviews, and quick links to the widgets and sponsorship sections. Next, under the Organization tab, you will find the business listing that you have submitted to GoodForms. Here, you can view the status of your listing and edit most of your business information. As you can see, some fields can only be edited by our team. If you need to update any information, please feel free to reach out to us. Moving on, under the Portfolio section, you will find all the portfolios you have submitted so far. To add a new one, click on Add Portfolio, fill in the required details, and follow the snapshot guidelines for smooth approval. Portfolios are a great way to showcase your work, so be sure to make them detailed and visually appealing. Next, under the Reviews section, you will see an overview of your client reviews, including average rating and number of active reviews. You will also see a detailed list of each review with reviewer name, rating, submission date, and current review status. You can click on a published review to add your response. If you respond to a review, your response will appear under the review on your GoodForms profile. Coming back, under the Actions section, you can click on View Review for full details of a review and use the Mark as Featured option to highlight key reviews. This option is available with Pro membership. If you'd like to import reviews from other platforms to your GoodForms profile, you can get this done if you have a Pro membership. If you need help with editing a review or inquire about a review status, just click the help link to contact our review team. Moving on, the Analytics section is part of the GoodForms Pro membership and offers valuable insights into your profile's performance. Since this feature is exclusive to Pro members, we'll walk you through a sample dashboard to help you understand what kind of data you can expect and how it can guide your visibility strategy on GoodForms. Here's what the Analytics section typically looks like. You will see key performance indicators like impressions, showing how many times your company appeared in search results within a selected time frame. Website visits, tracking the number of users who clicked through to your website from GoodForms. Profile views, showing how many visitors landed on your GoodForms profile. And page-wise analytics, breaking down performance across each listing page your company appears on. Let's take a closer look. We'll start by looking at the Impressions section, which shows how many impressions the company has had within a time frame. You can change the time frame over here to see data tailored to your requirement. Under Website Visits section, you will see a detailed breakdown that includes the landing page URL, number of visits, user location, and device type. Similarly, the Profile Views section gives you similar filters to understand where your traffic is coming from and how users are engaging with your profile. Under the Page-wise Analytics section, you will see all the listing pages your company is part of, your current ranking on each page, and detailed metrics like impressions and click-throughs. You can click on View Analytics to view key metrics for individual pages. Coming back, You can also see a higher rank you can achieve by opting for our basic sponsorship plan. The analytics section empowers you to track your performance, discover growth opportunities, and make smarter, data driven decisions to boost your visibility on good firms. Moving on, under the sponsorship section, you can view the categories on which your profile is listed and the tentative rankings you can achieve with the basic plan. Click on any listing to see a breakdown of categories and subcategory pages, your current ranking on each page, and the rank you can achieve with the sponsored plan. If you want to rank higher, click Request a Code to send an email and our team will get in touch with you. And if you'd like to find a plan tailored to your needs and discuss further, just click on Schedule a Call to book a session with one of our experts. Next up is the widget section, a powerful tool to boost trust and credibility. Here, you will find a variety of review widgets that you can embed directly on your website. These widgets increase the credibility of your business by showcasing your good firm's ratings and reviews directly on your website. Once you've selected a widget, click Use This, copy the provided code snippet, and follow the instructions to paste it on your website. It's quick, easy, and a great credibility booster. Next, under the Resources section, you can add resources to your good firm's profile. Resources are white papers, reports, or educational content created by your team designed to establish your authority and build thought leadership. To add a new resource, click on Add Resource, fill in the required details, upload your file, choose a thumbnail, and hit Save. Our team will review and publish it to your profile. Well-crafted resources will really help your profile stand out. If you need assistance with something, click on Help Center from here. You will be taken to our support hub where you can browse topics and submit your query via relevant forms. Coming back, under the Settings tab, you can change your email and password, visit the Help Center, and upgrade your profile. And that's it. You are now ready to confidently navigate your good firm's account and take full advantage of all the features at your fingertips. Thanks for watching. If you ever need help, our team is just a message away. Happy exploring!